Hello, welcome to another edition of Steve Y, the Fix-It Guy. My name is Steve Yakshi, and this is my YouTube channel where you can learn to fix just about anything. For this edition, we're going to go over to my mom's house. She's having an issue with her kitchen sink backing up, so it looks like we're going to have to snake out the drain in order to clear it. So let's get to it. I'm looking at the both of the drains. I can't fit the snake in there, so most likely what I'm going to have to do is go underneath the sink and loosen this probably right here, take it off, and then run the snake down in through here in order to clear this out. So obviously one of the things you worry about when you're dealing with some old plumbing, you know, when you start disturbing it, usually you're going to end up creating some more problems, but we're going to be careful and see how it goes. So our first order of business is going to be to take this loose. I put a pan underneath, as you can see, and we should be able hopefully to loosen this by hand. As you can tell, it's a little bit, it's been around for a while. So we'll get this loose right here, and then we're also going to take this loose right here, and we'll see if any water comes out. Hopefully some of the water's drained. As you can see, we've taken this part of the drain out, and now we can put our snake into here and feed it down through the trap to clear this out. This is the snake we'll be using. We'll be feeding this in through the pipe in order to clear it out. Well, a case in point, I ended up having to replace all of the washers. You know, they all loosened up. But we were able to take everything loose down to here and then ran the snake in there. And then we put it all back together. So as you can see on the tip of our snake here, the debris that we went through, probably a mixture of calcium deposits, maybe some hair, grease. But anyway, we cleaned it up. Replacing the washers in the drain pipes is really simple. You can go to the hardware store, in this case Taylor's, and you can buy the poly washers. They're 1.5 inch, which is typical for kitchen sinks and bathroom sinks. They look like this once you take them out of the package. You can see there's a bevel on that. So what you do is you simply take your drain, put your nut on first, and then you'll put the poly washer on and make sure that the flange, the bevel, is pointing down. Push that on, and then take your other connecting pipe and push these down on here, and then start threading it on here until it's tight. And you can do this all by hand. So it's really quite simple. Obviously what I just showed you was new plumbing. When you're working with old plumbing, make sure you clean it good before you put the washers on in order for them to seal properly. And one other comment, when you have multiple connections like we have here, just loosely connect them until you have them all connected and adjusted, and then you can start tightening them down individually. Now you can see that it's clean, it's not backing up, so we're in good shape. And in another segment, I'll show you how to use that snake that I have. Thank you for watching this edition of Steve Y, the Fix-It Guy. I hope you liked it. If you did, please hit the like button. Also, please subscribe, and if you leave a comment, I'll be sure to reply. Thank you.